Hello, people, and welcome back to my channel, The Health Loop. If you believe that life truly begins at 50, you've come to the right place. Today, we're not talking about slowing down, we're talking about powering up. We're diving into some fantastic, easy-to-adopt health practices that will help you feel vibrant, strong, and ready to take on the world, no matter what your age is. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore how to make these golden years your healthiest and happiest yet. First up, let's talk about movement. Now, I'm not suggesting you suddenly start training for a marathon unless you want to, of course. The key is joyful movement. Think less about grueling workouts and more about activities that make you feel good. A brisk 30-minute walk in the morning can do wonders. It gets your heart pumping, clears your head, and connects you with nature. How about putting on your favorite music and just dancing around the living room? It's a fantastic cardio workout that feels more like a party than exercise. Water aerobics is another brilliant option. It's gentle on your joints but provides excellent resistance to build strength. Remember, the goal is consistency, not intensity. Find something you love, whether it's gardening, cycling, or tai chi, and make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Your body is designed to move, so let's give it what it wants. Next, let's head into the kitchen. What we put on our plates becomes the fuel for our adventures. As we get older, our nutritional needs change slightly. We need to focus on nutrient-dense foods. Think of your plate as a beautiful rainbow. Fill it with colorful fruits and vegetables, bell peppers, berries, leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are packed with antioxidants that help protect our cells. Protein is also your best friend for maintaining muscle mass. Lean sources like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils are excellent choices. And don't forget about calcium and vitamin D for bone health. Low-fat dairy, fortified plant milks, and fatty fish like salmon will help keep your skeleton strong. It's not about restrictive dieting, it's about nourishing your body with delicious, whole foods. Try one new healthy recipe a week. It's a fun way to explore new flavors and invest in your long-term health. Now for a topic that's often overlooked but is absolutely crucial: brain health. Keeping your mind sharp and engaged is just as important as physical fitness. Think of your brain as a muscle. You have to use it or you lose it. So, how do we exercise our minds? Challenge it daily. Pick up a new hobby you've always been curious about. Maybe it's learning to play the guitar, speaking a new language with an app, or taking an online course in a subject that fascinates you. Puzzles, crosswords, and Sudoku are classic brain trainers for a reason. They improve memory and problem-solving skills. Reading is another powerful tool. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or the daily newspaper, it stimulates your imagination and keeps your cognitive functions firing. Don't be afraid to be a lifelong learner. Curiosity is the ultimate anti-aging secret for your mind. Let's move on to the power of sleep. We often joke about needing less sleep as we get older. But the truth is, quality sleep is non-negotiable for recovery, memory consolidation, and overall health. Are you getting those 7 to 9 hours of quality shut-eye? If not, let's look at your sleep hygiene. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could be taking a warm bath, reading a chapter of a book, or listening to calming music. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep, cool, dark, and quiet. And importantly, try to disconnect from screens like your phone, tablet, or TV at least an hour before bed. The blue light can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Prioritizing sleep is one of the most powerful acts of self-care you can practice. Social connection is another pillar of a healthy, happy life. We are social creatures by nature, and nurturing our relationships is vital for our mental and emotional well-being. Loneliness can have a real, physical impact on our health. So, make an effort to connect with others regularly. Call up an old friend just to chat. Schedule a weekly coffee date with a neighbor. Join a club or a group that shares your interests, a book club, a walking group, a volunteer organization. Meaningful connections give us a sense of purpose and belonging. Spending time with family, especially grandchildren if you have them, can bring immense joy and keep you feeling young at heart. Don't underestimate the power of a good laugh with a good friend. It truly is some of the best medicine there is. Another key practice is proactive health management. This means being your own best health advocate. Don't skip your regular checkups with your doctor, dentist, and eye doctor. These appointments are crucial for catching any potential issues early when they are most treatable. Keep a list of questions to ask your doctor, and don't be shy about bringing up any concerns you have, no matter how small they may seem. Be diligent about taking any prescribed medications as directed. Understand what they are for and what potential side effects to look out for. Staying informed about your own health empowers you to make the best decisions for your body. Think of your healthcare team as your partners in your wellness journey. You are the CEO of your health, so take charge. Let's also talk about stress management. Life doesn't stop throwing us curveballs after 50. In fact, sometimes the stress can feel even greater. Finding healthy ways to cope is essential. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools. You can start with just 5 minutes a day. There are many free apps and guided meditations online that can walk you through it. Simply focusing on your breath can calm your nervous system and bring you into the present moment. Spending time in nature, as we mentioned earlier, is a proven stress buster. The simple act of sitting in a park and listening to the birds can lower your blood pressure and reduce stress hormones. Journaling is another wonderful outlet. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you process them and gain clarity. The goal isn't to eliminate stress completely, but to build a toolbox of strategies to manage it effectively. Finally, let's wrap this all up with the most important ingredient, a positive mindset. Your attitude towards aging has a profound impact on your quality of life. Embrace the wisdom, experience, and freedom that comes with this chapter. Focus on gratitude. Each morning, think of 3 things you're thankful for. It could be as simple as the sun shining or a good cup of coffee. This simple practice can shift your entire perspective. Celebrate your body for all it has done for you and all it can still do. Let go of the idea of acting your age and instead focus on living a life that feels authentic and joyful to you. Your golden years are a canvas, and you hold the brush. Paint them with vibrant colors, new experiences, and lots of laughter. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope you feel inspired and empowered to take these simple steps toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Start with one small change and build from there. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future conversations. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is one healthy habit you're really excited to start? Take care, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.